Ever feel like your Google Forms responses start piling up so quickly that it's almost impossible to make sense of them? It doesn't take long before it feels overwhelming. And with responses coming in at random times, it can be tough to spot trends or locate specific information without endless scrolling. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through how to sort and organize your Google Forms responses so they become easier to manage and analyze. We'll look at how Google Forms stores your data, how to sort and filter information inside Google Sheets, and how add-ons and automations can help. Then we'll switch gears and explore how Jotform takes organizing form responses to a much more advanced level. Let's jump right in. Before you learn how to sort anything, it helps to understand how Google Forms handles the responses you collect. As soon as someone submits a form, Google Forms automatically saves the information for you. You don't have to create any storage or adjust any settings to keep the data. All the responses go straight into the Responses tab, and they appear in the order they're received. That gives you instant access, but it doesn't give you many options for organizing what you see. Inside Google Forms, you can look at a basic summary that shows you an overview of the responses. There's also an individual view that lets you read each submission one at a time. Those views are helpful for quick check-ins, but they don't allow you to sort or filter anything. If you want to organize your responses in a meaningful way, you need to switch over to Google Sheets. Google Sheets works as the spreadsheet companion for Google Forms. The moment you open your responses inside a sheet, you gain access to full spreadsheet capabilities. You can sort data by specific fields, build charts, and calculate metrics using formulas. If you're regularly collecting information, this becomes an essential step in cleaning up raw data and turning it into something useful. Sorting your responses starts with connecting your Google Form to a Google Sheet. Google makes this simple with a built-in feature. Inside your Google Form, click the Responses tab, then click the green Google Sheets icon labeled View in Sheets. This will either create a brand new sheet or open an existing one linked to your form. Once your data is inside Google Sheets, you can sort it however you want. Start by highlighting the column you want to sort. Maybe you want responses arranged alphabetically, or you want them organized by date. If your form includes a timestamp, you can also sort everything chronologically. These quick sorts help you create order out of the mess. If your needs are a bit more specific, Google Sheets gives you the option to create multi-level sorts. This means you can sort by one field first, then sort within that group by another field. You might start with the submission date, and then sort by name. Or you might sort by department, and then by location. To do this, select all the columns you want to be included. Go to Data, choose Sort Range, and open the Advanced Range Sorting options. Sorting is great when you want everything ordered in a particular way, but filtering is what helps you focus on certain parts of your data without removing anything. Filtering temporarily hides rows that don't meet the conditions you choose. This makes it easier to zoom in on the responses you actually want to look at. Filtering becomes especially helpful when you're working with large datasets that can quickly become overwhelming. Creating a filter in Google Sheets is easy. First, select the header row and the range of data you want to filter. Then click Data and choose Create a Filter. After that, little drop-down arrows will appear on each column. When you click these arrows, you can filter by values, by condition, or by color. Filtering by values lets you choose exactly which text or numbers you want to display. Filtering by condition allows you to set rules, such as greater than or contains. And filtering by color is handy when you've highlighted certain rows for specific reasons. If you want to make sure people enter information correctly on the form itself, like emails or phone numbers, you can also use response validation inside Google Forms so the information is clean before it ever reaches your sheet. If you're collaborating with others inside the same Google Sheet, filter views can make your life much easier. A filter view allows you to apply your own filter settings without affecting what other team members see. That means everyone can view the same data set in different ways. To create a filter view, select your data, click Data, and then choose Create Filter Views. From there, you can name the view and customize it however you need. Google Forms and Google Sheets together can be pretty powerful, but sometimes you need more than the basics. That's when add-ons and automations can help. There are popular Google Forms add-ons like Form Publisher, Form Ranger, and Autocrat that make it easier to analyze, visualize, or reorganize your responses. These tools extend what Google Forms can do by helping you automate tasks or create documents from your data. Google Sheets formulas can also help you stay organized without having to manually sort each time. For example, Array Formula or Query can automatically build sorted tables for you. Instead of resorting every time someone submits a form, the formulas update everything for you in real time. Even with add-ons and formulas, you may reach a point where Google Forms and Sheets feel limited. If you're collecting a lot of responses, or if you need deeper reporting, more advanced filtering, or customizable dashboards, switching to a more robust tool can make a noticeable difference. That's where Jotform comes in. Jotform gives you a far more flexible and powerful way to organize and manage form responses. Whether you're working with small groups of people or massive datasets, Jotform helps you turn raw information into something meaningful. One standout feature is Jotform's Smart Response Organization. You can automatically tag and sort form responses as they come in. And Jotform Tables works like a visual database where you can search, filter, and label information instantly. You can also automate tasks with Jotform Workflow Builder. This means you can trigger actions the moment a form is submitted. You might send customized emails automatically, notify a team member, or push data into another tool your team uses. These automations save time and keep everything moving smoothly. On top of that, Jotform Report Builder turns your form data into polished visual reports. They're presentation ready and easy to share, which is helpful whether you're a teacher reviewing assignments, an HR team handling timesheets, or a business analyzing customer feedback. Jotform makes the entire process more efficient from start to finish. While Google Forms requires Google Sheets for sorting and filtering, Jotform gives you those capabilities built in, along with more advanced tools for organizing and analyzing your data. If you want a smoother way to manage responses and get clear insights faster, Jotform is a great option to explore. Until next time, I'm Sissy with Jotform. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.